is the new latch. It's a farm gate latch. It should work a little bit better than this this old contraption here, but it won't fit in between the fence and the post. It needs to be right about here where this T on the gate meets, so the part that attaches to the fence has this added strength. So it'll be somewhere like this. I've got to move that fence over just a little bit. I've been looking at how to do that. So what I can do is loosen this a little bit. Loosen these two right here and turn that just a little bit, and that would bring this way. And I would also do that up here as well. Ooh, that is, I have no idea how much that thing weighs. It's got to be 100 pounds. We'll find out. Digging around in the shop, I found 4 bolts that will work for putting that together, so I'm pretty much set to mount that to the gate, but I do have a problem, and I can't do anything with this gate today because it catches wind very bad. It's like a sail, and I won't be able to unbolt it and hold it upright. Not by myself anyway. Too thick for where the gate sits right now, so we got to move the gate. not exactly like I would have liked it. I would prefer the rope being attached to that center rail or way up at the top, but because the feet of the lift won't go under the gate, I can't get it close enough to grab that top or center rail. So grab it at the bottom. It's still being held from the latch and the two hinges. So let's go move those two hinges around. I was assuming that if there's plenty of room for the unlocking part of the latch, there would be plenty of room for the pin as well. But no, there we go, lifting it back up again. Lifting again. I've got my clearance now. Now it's to mount the other part of the latch. Put that in like that. We'll mark it top and bottom, which I've already done. And then I'll move the gate out of the way, find out where I need to drill the holes and mark those. Get the bolts in place, and I can go eat lunch or dinner or something. I just clamped it in place. I'll drill 1/4 inch holes in each one of the places where a 3/8 bolt will be, then move it out of the way, then ream it out to 3/8 and go all the way through the back side of the post so the threads can tighten up on the other side. Camera, freaky camera. Holy cow. I don't really care what color it is. As long as it keeps things from rusting right away, which they will. that's nice. Done. That's it. It's time for dinner. And that job is complete. I've got the lift pulled back. The gate is being held by the hinges, so it's holding its own weight. Just slightly angled the top and bottom hinges a little bit, and that makes the gap on the other end of the gate just a little bit wider. This should actually help the gate and the fence look a little more flush now. We've got don't really have to use that one anymore, but it's still on there for now. And pull up, and it's free to move. This wind just caught that. Pretty solid. Yeah, I think I like that better anyway. Yeah, I like it better. Now don't ever use this company. They do a lousy job. They put up the fence, but at the same time, they were the ones who did this stuff. And they were going to come back the next day and fix it right, but they never showed up. So I wouldn't recommend them again. As a matter of fact, when I knew that this latch was going to break, I mean, you can only bend steel so many times before it becomes so weak in spots that it will break easily. And I tried to get another latch like this from him, and he refused to sell me one because he said he didn't install the gate in the first place. So they're just a bunch of over there anyway. But that's the new latch. I like it. Beautiful. I like it a lot.
Who'd have thunk it?